there, and welcome to another video of Fun Learning with Anika. Today we are going to make chocolate pancakes. These will be the ingredients we will need. There's going to be pancake mix, anything is fine, your preference. Then cocoa powder, aka chocolate powder, 1 egg, and butter, and milk. And these are the materials that we'll need. You'll need 1 spoon, 1 cup or half a cup or 1/4 of a cup, that's fine, and 1 tablespoon measure, and a bowl. Okay? We are going to start now. So I'm going to leave these over here. Starting with the pancake mix, and we are going to take 1 cup of this. I already told you to use 1 cup of this, but since I'm using a half a cup, I'm going to do this twice. Starting with the dry ingredients first, and then I'm going to add the wet ingredients. So since the dry ingredients are this pancake mix and this chocolate powder, I'm starting with those. And now that I've added all the pancake mix into the bowl, I'm going to move on to the chocolate powder. Now we're going to take 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder for the chocolatiness in the chocolate pancake. You can add more to your liking, but for me, I like 2 tablespoons. There. Next, we are going to move on to the wet ingredients. Before we start with the wet ingredients though, we're gonna mix this dry ingredients so that it is ready for the wet ingredients. Now we're gonna crack the egg, the first wet ingredient. And we're gonna give it a little stir. Now it's time to add the milk. And the thing with milk is every time you pour it, you need to pour it little by little so it doesn't dilute, which means it'll get extra watery and it won't work anymore. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of milk to start. That's good enough. And you can use any milk you want. I'm just using oat milk. This is how it should look so far, but it's gonna change. Now I'm gonna add a little more milk. This is the consistency that you want when you're making this. Not too lumpy, but also not too liquid. If you see what I mean. See how I can smoothly do this? That's what you want. We're gonna start cutting the butter because we're gonna need this in order to make the pancake. This should be good enough. Now we're going to put it onto the pan where it'll start melting almost immediately. And we're going to spread it. should be good enough. Okay, now we are going to add the batter. Now that it's pretty smoothened out, we are going to let it, like harden. You need to put a lid onto your pan. Now we're ready to flip the pancake. So you should probably let an adult do this, but I'm experienced. So I'm just gonna flip the pancake. Look at that. It's nicely cooked. And we're just gonna do the same thing for the other side. Now we're ready to flip the pancake again. And there. That is our chocolate pancake. It may not look perfect, but that's okay. Now I'm gonna have this for breakfast. This is another pancake. Now, I am going to eat this. As soon as I put on maple syrup. You can put on whatever you like, depending on your taste. And there. Enjoy the delicious pancakes and subscribe for more. Bye!